Good day, everyone. So our topic for today is all about defined and undefined terms in geometry. So let's take first what is our objectives. Uh, Letter A is describe a point, line, and plane. Undefined terms. Ayun yung mga tinatawag natin undefined terms. And letter B, define collinear points, non-collinear points, coplanar points, non-coplanar points, segment, and ray. Lastly is to appreciate the importance of knowing the defined terms. Okay? So, here in our next slide, what can you see in the picture? Okay, so mag-apply pa tayo dyan ng ano to? Stars. This is line table. Ito. Ito ay mga signs na nakapaloob sa mga planes, sa mga shapes. Okay, pag sinabi natin planes, it is a two-dimensional figure. Okay? So let's define first what is point. Point denotes a position in space and has no dimension. When represented by a dot, it is named by capital letters. Like the stars dun sa picture kanina, di ba para lang siyang tuldok, para lang siyang point. So, point, dinedenote siya as a position in space and has no dimension. And kapag nakita tayo ng point, pinapangalanan natin siya as capital letter. So, for example, here, point A. So this is A, point A. Next, line. Line is infinitely long. That is, it extends on both direction without end. Katulad niyan, kapag nakita kayo ng line na may arrow sa magkabilang dulo, ibig sabihin, nag-e-extend siya. It extends on both direction. So this is line AB. Line AB. Okay? Next is plane. Plane is a flat surface. It extends infinitely in all directions. Katulad nga na sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, plane is two-dimensional, which is flat surface lang siya. And nag-extend din siya infinitely in all directions. For example, this plane, plane A. Ito, kapag nakita kayo ng ganitong sign na may arrow, ibig sabihin nag-extend siya. Next is yung collinear points. Collinear points are points on the same line. Ibig sabihin, yung mga point na nasa iisang linya. For example, point B, point E, and point F are collinear points kasi nasa iisang linya sila. Okay? Next, non-collinear points. Pag sinabi naman natin non-collinear points, ito yung hindi naglalay sa same line. For example, point H and point J are non-collinear points. Point I and point J are non-collinear points kasi wala sila sa iisang linya. Okay? Or nasa labas yung isang point. Okay? Next is yung coplanar points. Kapag sinabi naman natin coplanar points are points on the same plane. Yung points na nasa loob ng iisang plane. For example, point X, point Y, point Z are coplanar points kasi nasa loob sila ng isang plane. How about non-coplanar points? Kabaliktaran naman ng coplanar. Non-coplanar points are points not on the same plane. Ibig sabihin, magkaiba sila ng plane na kinabibilangan. So we have, for example, point X and point C are non-coplanar points. Point Y and point C is non-coplanar point kasi hindi sila same ng plane na kinalalagyan or naghihiwala yung isang point. At sinabi natin non-coplanar points. Okay? Next is yung segment. Segment is a part of a line consisting of 2 points and all points between them. Kapag sinabi natin segment, ibig sabihin may hangganan. Katulad nito, segment AB. Wala na siyang arrow sa magkabilang dulo, so ibig sabihin hindi siya nag-extend. So may hangganan po yung ating segment. Point A, point B, kapag pinag-connect, ibig sabihin segment AB. Okay? Let's have the ray. Ray is a part of a line that starts at an end point at one end or the starting point, and extends infinitely in one direction. So itong ray naman, meron siyang one point na kung saan doon nag-i-start yung line. Katulad nito, si point A. Tapos kapag nilagyan natin ng line, tapos in-extend natin, matatawag na natin siyang ray. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, isa-isang direction lang, nag-extend yung line ni ray A. Okay? So, do you have any questions? So, let's have an example. Let's use this figure to answer the following. Tingnan mabuti itong figure na ito. Okay. So, hanapin natin kung nasaan yung maghahanap tayo ng three collinear points. Kapag sinabi natin collinear points, naglalay yung mga points sa iisang linya. So, meron tayong point H, G, I. Kasi naglalay sila sa isang line. Isa pang mga points is C, G, X. Okay, kasi nasa isang linya ulit sila. So, let's have number 2. Two non-collinear points to line. Okay, pag sinabi natin non-collinear points, hindi magkakasama sa isang linya yung mga points. Okay. So, we have point B and point H. Hindi sila magkasama sa isang linya. Point X and point F. Hindi sila magkasama ulit sa isang linya. So, non-collinear points sila. And marami pang iba, hindi lang BH and XF. Meron din tayong point I and point C. Diba? Meron din tayong point D and point G. Okay, yun yung mga tinatawag nating non-collinear points. How about four coplanar points? Pag sinabi natin coplanar, nasa loob ng isang plane yung mga points. So, meron tayong H, G, I, F. Yan, mga nasa loob ng plane, yung mga points. Ano pa? Ano pang point? Meron din tayong H, G, I, D. Ano pa? H, G, I, B. Kasi nasa loob yan ng ating plane. H, G, I, E. Okay? Ayun yung mga points natin. Coplanar points. Next is three non-coplanar points. So, ibig sabihin, hindi nasa parehas na plane. We have an example, A, E, J. Point A, E, J. Kasi wala sila sa loob ng plane. Okay? Ano pa? Meron din tayong point C, D, I. C, D, I. Meron din tayong point AXG. Yan, mga hindi naglalay sa same plane. Yan yung tinatawag natin non-coplanar points. Next, last na tong example, name three rays. Name three rays. So, meron tayong ray H, which is, nagsisimula yung niya dito, point, tapos mag-e-extend. Magsisimula yung line dito sa point, mag-e-extend pa kaliwa. Ray I. Katulad ng sa ray H, sa kabilang direction naman siya. Dito mag-i-start ang kanyang line sa point na ito, tapos mag-e-extend papunta sa kanan. Ray I. Ray X. From here, from this point, baba naman yung kanyang extension. So, meron pang isa which is yung ray C. Okay? From this point, tapos mag-extend siya pa akyat. Okay? Do you have any question? So, if you don't have any question, try nyo po itong sagutan. Okay? That's all for today. I hope you're learning.